So I've seen a lot of videos on doing your motor mount on this side of the vehicle, because you just go through your firewall here, go under there, fucking dick around, bend wrenches so I can get it in there. And I've never seen a YouTube video for this motor mount right here. So this is a 2005 GMC Jimmy with a 2-inch high country lift in it. So my steering column is dropped down in front. So to get access to this driver's side motor mount, I had to pull the exhaust manifold, I had to pull the ducting, all of the front tire, all the ducting for all the intake, gotta pull a bunch of all the plug wires out, all of your coolant, fucking temperature sensor, thermistor, and all this shit out, and it's a whole thing. But that's where I'm at.